All right, now I've got the thing set up. I think I've discovered the solution to this problem. Why they didn't tell me that online there is a tutorial. In fact, this guy is showing the InSassy 100-foot hose and how to fix it. Why they didn't tell me this, after all the back and forth I've been going through, is beyond me. But as you can see, what he's doing is he's showing you exactly how to fix this damn thing. Now, okay, so I am going to set this back up, and I'm going to see if I can follow his instructions. I'm going to put him on hold here because he's cutting that thing, and I think I know what to do next. So here we go. And I don't know. I like Elvis, so you got Elvis over there, and you got Elvis here. This is actually dead Elvis on the toilet. I had that painting done years ago when I had money by the guy who painted my truck purple flames. Anyway, you know, Elvis died on the toilet, and I think that's what I've been told. And so there you go. There's dead Elvis on the toilet. I was the actual model for that. So you take the end here. I'm going to play to both sides here. You take the end. This is the part that's leaking. And you're going to take this part, unscrew this part, but because it's made a certain way to spin and not kink up, you've got to take, in this case I have a large headed screwdriver, and I will unscrew this, pop that. Okay, I think I've got it. Yep, come on baby, a little bit more. Real good at mechanical stuff. So hold it in place and unscrew it. It's coming. I see it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Now, okay. Now I've got that unscrewed. Now I will pull this down. Revealing the little flangey thing, whatever that is. Flangey thing. Okay, and the dog's barking. And there is the hose. Now, they make it easier. They make it look a lot easier on the tutorial. I guess that's because they practiced. But already I see the split. See it? See that split? That's where the water's coming out. See it? Right there. Right there. It's a crack. Right there. You know how sometimes when you see these tutorials, guys don't clean their fingernails? Mine actually pretty good, see? Anyway, now all you got to do is pull this back a little bit, and let me see here. What's he say? Let me back him up a little bit and see what he's doing here. Okay.
Or cut. So what you want to do is,
he's already taken it off. Let's see, because there's you just pull that. It's very flexible. Let's see, it's a little bit more.
Take off or pull out the inner tubing. Okay.
Flat screwdriver. Flat screwdriver.
So you will break it.
Open that up a little bit and pop that off. Oh, I got it. Need a flat screwdriver.
Right. Now you want to take off or pull out the inner tubing. Okay. Nice and easy.
Think that. Need a flat screwdriver.
Yeah. Now you're gonna find.
But this is too big, I think.
Cut.
Okay.
So what you wanna do is
how do you get this thing off? I gotta get that down.
Cut it. Okay. Nice and neat cut.
I could get that thing off. I think I need to stop it. Okay. I'm gonna stop it.